So is this going to become a flashpoint again? Is this going to become another major point of controversy between Team Anna and the government? Do tell us what you think. Joining us on the program tonight from Team Anna, we have Dr. Kiran Bedi with us. We have Jay Panda from the BJD, Lok Sabha MP. We have the political editor of the Hindustan Times, Mr. Vinod Sharma. Also joining us tonight from the Congress Party, Lok Sabha MP Sanjay Nirupam. Mr. Nirupam, let me ask you first. When you look at what the Standing Committee has said in its draft report, you know, they've actually left out all the main contentious issues. They're silent on the question of whether the Prime Minister should be included. The lower bureaucracy has been excluded. The judiciary has been excluded. The investigative wing of the CBI has been excluded. So, in a sense, all the key demands that Team Anna had are not really there as part of the draft.
Nidhi, first of all, I would like to tell you one thing. This draft report is not supposed to be the final report. One. Second point, it is supposed to be a very secret report. Thirdly, this report has to be adopted by the Standing Committee. So the committee is going to deliberate on the whole draft clause by clause. Then only a final report will be cleared, and that report will be submitted to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha or the government. I don't know exactly which way it will go first.
But isn't it a bit worrying that there is only one meeting left? There's only one meeting of the Standing Committee left, which is tomorrow. And isn't it a bit worrying that this far, this is what they've come up with?
So this one meeting is very important meeting. To my information, it is too early on part of Anna team to basically to start any movement or to basically threaten to sit again on dharna. It is too early. Let the committee take a final view, then it will go to the government, and then finally it will come to the parliament. And now, please, for God's sake, don't blame government or Congress party for this, because Standing Committee is like mini parliament which has been represented by each and every party there. So if all the political parties are taking a decision unanimously, then I think the Congress party or the government should not be blamed for that.
Okay. Kiran Bedi, one point that Sanjay Nirupam makes is that Team Anna jumped the gun today. This is not, there's still technically one more meeting to go. We don't really know what the final report of the Standing Committee says. So would you concede that point?
Do you mean to say that one day is going to overturn all the last few weeks?
That's what I asked.
I think it's a very serious development. I think we are expecting something absolutely unachievable from the government in power. I think we should demand it from the opposition now. A common citizen should say, what does the opposition want? Put your cards on the table. Because I think what you're asking from the party in power is already giving you what it is. Because after all, that's the party in power even in majority as members in the Standing Committee, if the reports are true. I think the common man should now start asking, what does the opposition want? Does the opposition want CBI to be independent or not? Does the opposition, united opposition? Because if the opposition can unite on so many other things and keep the the parliament adjourned, I think it should be asking the same thing. Should do this come together on the same issue? Does it want CBI to be independent? Does it want judiciary to be in it? Does it want the Prime Minister to be in it? Does it want the Citizen Charter to be in it? Because, you see, you have a letter from the Prime Minister which had said that the Citizen Charter would be part of it. You have saying that lower bureaucracy will be in it. Now, does this letter mean nothing? And this has the entire parliament. This is a unanimous, yet jointly. This is the sense of the House. Is this letter of no significance? इसमें Citizen Charter भी है, इसमें लोक आयुक्त भी है, इसमें lower bureaucracy भी है, इसमें lower bureaucracy नहीं है. I think we are asking the wrong demand. We are demanding wrongly from the Congress at power. We as citizens of this country should ask, what does the opposition want, led by the BJP? I think now the demand should be, ask the BJP, tell us. Ask the BJD, tell us. What do you want?
Ask the BJD, Jay Panda.
What do they want?
What do you think of what you
And are they going to be coming together or not?
Okay.
I think, Didi, this has become serious now.
Okay.
Well, first of all, I think I will partly agree with what Sanjay Nirupam said, in that until the final report comes out, it is actually speculation. Now, as far as the substantive points that have been raised, I agree that the CBI must be independent. There is no two ways about that. I mean, the whole purpose of this agitation that has taken place for the last entire 1 year is to ensure that vested interests cannot protect the corrupt. Now, there are many issues in there. I can't go into all of them. Obviously, it will require some debate in Parliament. But as far as the core principles of what is being discussed, in the independence of the investigation authority and a couple of other things which are core to the issue.
Like including the lower bureaucracy
Lower
as well.
bureaucracy.
Well, I think if
It's included in the letter.
if
But
the,
it's not in the draft. So, I mean, I'm saying that are these issues on which you feel that there should be no compromise?
look, I strongly feel that going back on commitments on the core components of the Lokpal bill would be disastrous. I think it is going to lead to further protests on the street. I think it's going to lead to further problems. But I would not like to speculate on what the committee is going to pass as its final recommendation. Let the final version come out.
NDTV's Cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.